Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Fatma Sumro, Assistant Professor, Government College for Women, Shara Liaquat, Karachi. This is my lecture number 3, part number 3. The first and second parts of this lecture are already on the record, in which we studied about roads and railway transportation of Pakistan. This lecture is especially designed for BA Part 2, BCom Part 2 and second year humanities group. Means of transportation in Pakistan. In our today lecture, we will study about the water or ocean transport in Pakistan. By looking the geographical location of Pakistan, Pakistan is very lucky to have a lengthy coastline so that we can expand trade and economic relations all over the world without difficulty. Therefore, the sea routes are most economical form of transportation, and ocean shipping generally through Karachi via Arabian Sea in Pakistan. Major ports are Karachi Port, Port Mohammed bin Qasim, the most famous Port Qasim, and Gwadar Port. Besides these major ports, we have other ports such as Ormada, Jiwani, and Pasni. Now, we will learn about Port of Karachi, or Karachi Port. Karachi Port is located at the top of the food chain. 60% share in total national cargo handlings. It lies at coastline of Arabian Sea in Karachi, and administration or operation under Karachi Port Trust Authority. There are many facilities of trade at Port of Karachi: ship handling, discharging and loading of cargo from all over the world, storage of cargo, clearance of cargo, security and safety. Facilities at Karachi Port are 11.5 km long and 12.2 meter deep channel, total 33 berths in which 30 dry cargo berths, 13 berths on west wharves and 17 berths on east wharves of 30 dry cargo berths. Besides these, 3 liquid cargo berths for petroleum and oil and non-petroleum oil products. 2 container terminals, namely Karachi International Container Terminal and Pakistan International Container Terminals, are working at Karachi Port. Both terminals have been established by the private sector on BOT basis. The port provides safe navigation for all vessels, including modern container ships and tankers up to 75,000 deadweight tons. The port facilities are very well backed up with goods transit and storage areas, with rail and road services for handling, storage and clearance of cargo. This is the 9-year statistics of Karachi Port from 2011-12 to 2018-19, in which import, export and total tons are before you. Now, Port Qasim. Port Qasim is the deep water seaport in Karachi, and it is the Pakistan's second busiest port. About 35% share in total national cargo handlings at Port Qasim. 80% of the Pakistan's automotive industry is located at Port Qasim. Provides direct waterfront access to 2 major industrial areas: Export Processing Zone Landi and Korangi Industrial Area. And from these 2 export zones, approximately 60% of countries' export and import is originated from these areas. Port Qasim is operation under Port Qasim Authority, a semi-autonomous government body. This is 5 years port statistics from 2013-14 to 2018-19, in which imports, exports, and total cargo handling statistics before you. Gwadar Port. If we look at the geographical position of Gwadar Port, it lies southwestern Arabian Sea coastline in Balochistan, the second greatest monument of Pak-China friendship after Karakoram highway linking. Gwadar Port is 630 kilometers away from Karachi and near to Iranian border about 120 kilometers. It is located at the mouth of the Persian Gulf, outside the Strait of Hormuz, near the key shipping routes in and out of the Persian Gulf. Port operators are in May 2013, the port's concessional rights were transferred to China Overseas Ports Holding Company Limited. Under this company, it has been working on improving port facilities, surrounding environment, and port businesses. Company had invested more than $40 million for port facilities upgradation. This is now fully operational and receiving commercial vessels on regular basis since March 2018. The 2018-19 data of Gwadar Port is total cargo 7,156 metric ton, from which import is 3,750 metric ton and export is 3,401 metric ton. Pakistan National Shipping Corporation (PNC). Pakistan National Shipping Corporation has only one shipping line in Pakistan with limited capacity. It is established in 1971, head office in Karachi, and it functions under Ministry of Maritime Affairs, Government of Pakistan. Pakistan National Shipping Corporation transport all type of cargoes on several geographical routes covering almost entire world. At present, Pakistan National Shipping Corporation have 11 vessels, from which there are 4 tankers, 2 product tankers, and 5 bulk carriers. It has the capacity of deadweight metric tons is 8,31,711. Pakistan National Shipping Corporation transported approximately 80 million tons of crude oil since 1998. It is providing carriage services to Pakistan State Oil Company Limited, National Refinery Limited, Pakistan Refinery Limited, and Pak Arab Refinery Limited. The problems in sea transport are nationalization policy, 18th constitutional amendments, lack of loan facilities, decrease in exports, navigational locks on Indus River, underdeveloped infrastructure at some airports, and dominance of foreign freight companies. Solution: uniform maritime policy is required. We should increase in exports, encourage shipping sector. Inland water transportation is also needed. Cruise ship services must be increased, and foreign exchange savings. Thank you. Stay home, save lives.